Hi, friends. My name is Zane. And today I am running some errands around town and will be using ASL in everyday situations. It's the perfect opportunity to review what we have learned so far. Are you ready? There will be no voiceover in the rest of our lesson today. Catch everything that you can. Don't worry if you miss something. You can always pause, rewind, or rewatch and turn on closed captioning if needed. When you see a sign you recognize, practice along with the video. If you need help remembering, check out the vocabulary review page that goes with this lesson. Let's go!
Hi, what can I get for you today? Oh, what's this sign? Drink. W. Water. I think that's the sign for water. Can you sign water with me? Water. Here you go. I'm super hungry now, and I know how to sign this one. Let's go eat. Try signing eat. Eat.
This is Max. He's a pug.
Hey!